Hello, hi viewers. Welcome back to our channel. So this is a Rajasthan Assistant Professor exam question paper. So assistant examination paper physics. So these questions will help to upcoming KSET as well as assistant professor examination point of view in the questions help ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So the question 125, using Boolean algebra, the simple form of a plus b into a plus c is. So options a plus bc, b plus ac, c plus ab and a plus b ಅಂತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಬೂಲಿಯನ್ ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾ ದಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅಂಡ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ a plus b, a plus c. So there is a standard identity, that is x plus y, y plus z. ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ x plus yz. So this is the standard identity. Using this standard identity, so directly a plus b, a plus c. ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರೆದು a plus bc. So this is the right answer. So the right answer option number 1, a plus bc. So a plus, using standard identity we can write it as a plus bc. So option number 1 is the right answer. So next question number 126. For an amplifier, voltage gain is 500. Voltage gain 500, that is a equal to 500. And after a feedback it reduces to 100, that is AF equal to 100. Then the feedback ratio is, we are find the feedback ratio, that is beta. So options 0.008 and minus 0.008 and 0.011 minus 0.011. So the formula, so the given data, a equal to 500 and AF equal to 100. So we are find to feedback ratio, that is beta. So the formula AF equal to a by 1 plus a beta. Substitute the this formula, that is 100 equal to 500 divided by 1 plus a beta. So that is 500 beta. Simplify this, we get 500 beta equal to 4, beta equal to 0.008. Since the gain reduced from 500 to 100, the system is using negative feedback, so the feedback ratio is taken as negative, that is beta equal to minus 0.008. So option number 2 is the right answer. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.